welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome, and thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. Now today I am super excited to attempt to do this video because it has been a long time coming. As you can see, my fro is out and about and it is flourishing, and I'm so happy with how my hair has been growing lately that I'm like, okay, maybe now is the time to attempt to do a curly puff. So yes, this video is going to be a curly puff routine. I'm excited to get back into it because I used to love doing my curly puffs, and then obviously having short hair, I wasn't able to do that style in a while, but I think I should have enough hair now to at least attempt to do a curly puff and not a struggle puff. So let's see how this is gonna go. So for this video, the type of product that I am using is my Ecostyler. Here you go. This is my gel that I will be using for today. As far as tools, I will be using the following. I am using a tail comb to just help smooth in my hair once I put the gel on. Of course, I have a brush. Now this is a double-sided brush, so one side has hard bristles, the other side has soft, but I'm using the hard side. And then I have my Afro pick because once I put my hair up and it sets, I'm going to pick out my fro, well, my puff, using my Afro pick. Those are the only, actually the most important thing is to have some sort of band, scrunchie, or whatever you use to hold your puffs up. For me, I get headaches very easily, so I decided that any old stockings that I have, I'm just gonna turn them into like headbands and use that for my puffs when the time comes for me, which is today, to do a puff. First thing that we're going to do is I have my water bottle that has just water in it. Sometimes I like to put conditioner in it and mix it with water, but just water. First thing we're gonna do is just to spray the sides of my hair just a tad bit. I don't want it to be damp, but I also don't want it to be fully dry. The next step is to go ahead and add your gel. Alright, so now that I've added the gel, I'm just going to rub it in a little bit before I use my brush. Now that we've finished that, we're going to grab our brush and we're just going to go ahead and smooth in the hair. Alright, so the type of scarf that I have is, well, it's not a scarf, it's a wrap. I like to use my wrap first and then put my scarf over it just for that additional support in laying these bad boys down. So I'm just going to wrap this around my head. I found this at my local beauty supply store in case you are looking for it. So the next step is, while this is setting, I'm gonna go ahead and just create some volume in my puff. So you wanna grab your Afro pick and just start your volumizing. So once you have finished creating volume, continue to just let your hair set, maybe for like, I would say 10 minutes. Usually if I'm doing this overnight, of course it's overnight, so I don't have to worry about it. I just go to sleep and in the morning it's super late. But because the fact that I am doing this video right now and I want you guys to see my results, or even if I was getting ready to go outside, I will leave this for maybe like 5 to 10 minutes. So you see, it's pretty flat. So now you'll be able to go ahead and add whatever scrunchie, headband to hold your puff in place. Before I tie it, I'm just going to gradually pull it up just so I can have the exact positioning of where I want it to be. And that's it. Pretty much I'm done. I'm going to go back in with my Afro afro pick and create more volume. And if you are like me where the back is a bit shorter than the front, then you could just go in with some bobby pins. Right now it seems to be good because I don't have any flyaways, but you know, if you run into that problem, you can do that. Well guys, my puff looks great and I went ahead and I did my edges off camera. So I am finished with this look and I'm really happy that my hair has grown so much that I can do this puff style and I can now start doing other styles. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'll make sure to put the information of the products that I used today in the description area. And as always, it's a pleasure having you guys here on my channel. And until next time, peace guys.